Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is the dashboard of WordPress. We see here posts, media, pages, comment, appearance, plugin, users, tools, setting. We start with appearance to modify the themes of our website. You can see here these themes are predefined in our website. We can add new themes. You can see here popular, latest themes. We can choose one of them. For example, I choose this themes. I can install it, and I scroll. I look for other themes. Example, this theme. Here we have when we return to themes. For example, we can activate this because we haven't installed. Okay, we can move to themes. You can see themes installed here. If we this is themes installed by default. Can modify it's free themes here. If we can change. For example, I activate this. Visit site. This is a new look.